Hi, my name is Nicolette and I'm an admissions officer with Cal Poly. Welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied tutorial series. In this video, we will be showing how to use the website UC Doorway's A through G course listing. Let's get started. Hi, in this video, we're going to show you the 3 ways that our applicants typically use the UC Doorway's A through G course listing website. The first usage will be for our California high school students that can find their school's A through G list. For example, we'll look up our local high school, navigate to the course list, and these tabs up here are for each school year. So if you want to look something up from your past years, you can simply tab over, and that list will be updated for that school year. You can scroll through and see all the different options, or you can also type here at the top and the list will automatically filter as you begin typing. So you can look for all things with that keyword. If you want more details on any given course, you can click on it and it will expand out and tell you how that course is oftentimes going to appear on the transcript with the abbreviation. And it indicates if there's a lab component, what grades are typically taking that course, and some other relevant details. So that's how you could check where a course lives on your school's A through G list for high school students. Another way that this site is used is for California community colleges. They oftentimes have lists as well. We will start by using our local community college down the road, Cuesta College. So type in there, go to course list. You'll see this for a lot of the communities. They don't redo their lists every year. You have to go back in time to the 2013-14 list, but it is still relevant and the one that we're going to use and up to date. So you are okay to trust that list. Again, you can scroll through the different course areas. There might be a lot more options. So for example, there's a lot more science than you saw at the high school level. You can also detail out by clicking. Something to note for the language other than English courses, when it says these LOT levels, it will equate to the number of years of high school coursework that class equals. So a LOT level 3 would be 3 years of high school coursework, can be used for that class for the Spanish 2. You'll want to note that for other courses, 1 semester of college level work equates to 2 semesters of high school level work for our purposes. So if the student took 1 semester of Math 123 at Cuesta College, that would equal 1 full year of mathematics for our purposes. So you can use UC Doorways for community colleges as well. The third way that students can utilize UC Doorways is for our out-of-state students who do not have high schools on the site and want to know where their courses would lie on the A through G designations. They're going to use the Courses tab instead, and you'll enter in the course title exactly how it appears on your transcript. So for example, we get a lot of questions about culinary courses. So I'll just type that in, or maybe I'll say that it's arts. That's how that course reads. And then I can use this filters tab right here, and then I will toggle out the visual performing arts section because I want to see if my culinary arts class would count as an Area F VPA. So I will use the interdisciplinary arts or visual arts filters. They'll seem like the most relevant because I highly doubt that culinary is going to be considered dance, music, or theater. And then I will apply that filter. And here I am shown all of the California high schools who offer a culinary arts class and who categorize it under Area F. So because you see that there's at least 1 California high school that offers the same course under the area you would like to use it in, that is your indication that you are safe and clear to do so. I will show an area where maybe it wouldn't be so. Okay, so for example, if my course was called Computer Science, and I wanted to see if that could be an Area F course, I've searched it in, I've applied my filters, and I see that the only 3 courses that have computer included for an Area F would be these computer art and graphics animation courses. So because the title of my course does not fit the title of the courses listed here, that's my indication that I cannot use computer science for area F. However, if I eliminate my filters here and search, you'll see that there's a lot of these courses, but my money is that they are probably Area G electives. So we'll apply these filters and see that, yep, this is for Area G. So that's your indication that you can use computer science for Area G. So that's how our out-of-state students can search their courses to see what A through G area they would best fall under. If you need any help in this process, feel free to call our office. We're happy to look this up for you and help walk you through this process, since I know it can be a little confusing. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you the best of luck.